Hello dear
soulmate.
Let's make this beautiful gown together. First of all, what I did was to fold this fabric into two. This is a 2 years Ankara fabric. I folded it into two firstly. So what I'm going to do again is to fold it into four. So I'll be using all the 2 years for this Ankara dress. So I'll fold this thing into four. So first of all, what I want to measure now is my bust point, which is at 10. And that is where I'm going to be putting the sleeve. So I'm measuring my bust point at 10. I'm putting the sleeve there at 10 too. So I'm going to draw a vertical line there. So there I'm going to measure my waistline, which is at 16. So I also draw my line. I'm going to also draw my line there at my waistline. So I'm going to measure my hip, which is at 24. So are you seeing? I'm going to also draw my line for the hip line. So after drawing this hip line, what I'm going to draw now is the full length. The full length is at 40. So I'm going to put my full length for the dress. So after that, I'm going to use my ruler to make it very straight. So after doing that, the next thing I'm going to do is now to measure the neck. For the neck, I'm doing 3 here, then the depth I'm doing 5 because I'm going to do a V neck. So I did 3 by 5. So I'm going to connect with my ruler. It's a V at the front. So this is what I'm going to do. So for the back, I will do 3 by 2. 3 by 2, then I'll do my normal curve. So now I'm trying to put my measurements. For the bust is 34, divide by 4 plus 4 inches. The waist is 27, divide by 4. I added 4 inches everywhere because it's a bubu, it's a free gown. Then the hips is also 34, divide by 4. I also added 4 inches for the hips. Then I added by 4 inches because it's a free gown. So now I'm going to come down at this top here by 1.5 inch. For the shoulder slant, I did 1.5. Some people used to teach 2, but me I used to do 1.5. So I'm going to connect my lines to the neck to the sleeve, where the sleeve will start from, where the sleeve is. So now I'm going to connect these lines. I have the measurement. I'm going to connect them. The sleeve or the bust to the waist to the hips. So I'm going to come down here straight. I don't want it to be open and tight at the down. So I'm making it straight. So at the sleeve side, also give a little curve. Make your curve make your curve to come out better because it's going to be a sleeve. So I will not have any problem at that point. So are you seeing what I did there? I made a curve there. So now I want to cut out the back neck. I'm going to cut out the back neck. So after that, I'm going to cut out the slant. Look at now, I'm cutting out the 1.5 inch slant I did. So after that, I'm going to cut now. I'm cutting out the main fabric. I'm cutting out the main gown. Are you seeing there? I'm cutting this out. Very simple. So I'm going to cut out the length too. For the length, I added 2 inches while cutting it for the folding allowance. So for the back, for this front now, I'll shift the back and then cut the neck of the front because the front is a V. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove the back and then open the front just like this. Then place the lace I want to use to cut the front. I've placed the lace like a V, how I wanted the lace to look like a V. So I'm going to cut out the part I don't need. So I see I'm cutting it out. I'm cutting this thing to be like this. It's going to look like this when I finish sewing it. It will be like a V on the dress. So after cutting this thing, what I will do now is to carry the complete cloth and turn it over. Just watch what I want to do now. I'll carry that and then I'll turn it over to the back. This is the back. So now I'll cut out the lace of the back so that it will have that V too because it's a V neck. So I'll cut out the lace. Are you seeing this? So I'll cut out the neck just like this. Also do your own like this if you want to put a lace. So after cutting this out, I'm going to use a doll face that is white to turn it over. I'll turn it to do a facing at the back with a white. So look at now. I'm trying to arrange the lace. After arranging this lace properly, what I'll do now, I'm going to use my hook gum to put it. I'll use my hook gum to put it that the thing will not move while I want to sew it. You can also use pin to pin, but I'm using a hook. I think not move when I want to sew it. I want to sew it to the dress. So are you seeing this? So I've also turned my lace. I've turned it over. So take it to my sewing machine and go and sew. And this is what our gown is looking like. It's looking very beautiful. It is giving everything. This is the back. It is very neat, very beautiful. I don't know why. I don't know what is holding you from smashing that like and following my page. I give you tutorials on how to sew, and I make sewing videos very, very easy. If you watch my video, you understand that how to sew is very simple, very easy. So please try and like my page and follow me. This is the back of this gown. It is giving 100%. It is giving you sweet and beautiful and clean work. Look at the back. It has a pocket. It is beautiful. So thank you very much, dear friends. So please like my videos and please follow my page. Please, thank you.